In this episode, I'm going to be telling you guys or talking to you guys about what you can do if you want to relocate overseas, whether you want to go to Canada, you want to go to New Zealand, you want to go to the Netherlands, to the UK, to America, and you are separated. So maybe you were married to your husband and you're no longer together and you have children and you want to relocate with your children without your husband or without your wife. I'm going to be telling you all you need to do, all you need to know about this. So if you want to get more information about this content, I suggest you give me 1 second. I'm going to dash up to the market and you guys already know what comes next. Let's get it.
You know the way I do it when I drop lyrical. Anytime I spit lyrical, philosophical. All the niggas mimical, but this fair still on taking literal. Punchlines collateral. Maximum damage.
Hello, Chronicles. Hello, YouTube. How are you and you all doing today? It's still your value-based King Fuse out with another value-packed episode. And don't forget, our videos are brought to you courtesy of 100 Exports Limited. They are your premium brand for organic food. And if you want to get into agriculture, send them an email at 100 Exports Limited at gmail.com, and they're gonna tell you all you need to know about either ordering organic food from them or getting your parcel of land if you want to be a farmer. Okay, now in the introduction I was telling you guys, or I said that there's certain things you need to know. There's certain things you need to know if you are married and you are separated or divorced and you want to relocate to a different country with your children. Now, it's not a straightforward process, guys. For your visa application, you are going to have to get a written consent. If you're divorced, you're going to have to get the court judgment, the verdict that says the court has separated and granted you and your spouse grounds for separation on whatever reason, stating whatever reason while you were separated. This is very important. You cannot do without this document. Now, if you were just separated and not divorced, then you will need to communicate with your partner. You will need to communicate with your partner, whether it's a man or a woman, whatever situation you find yourself in. If you have children, that is grounds for complication right there. You would need to communicate with your partner. Your partner would have to write a written consent saying that they grant you, I think it's called right of, give me a minute. Your partner is going to grant you custody. I think that's the word. Your partner is going to write saying that they've granted you custody and you have an arrangement whereby they're going to have to see the kids after 3 months, after 6 months, after 1 year. Whatever arrangement you have with your partner, you would have to get written permission from your partner. This is what you're going to add as a supporting document. Do not travel. I repeat, do not go to apply for visa if you've not gotten express permission from your partner. If you're a man, you need to get permission from the woman. If you're a woman, you need to get permission from the man, whoever is traveling with the kids. If you are divorced, you need to get a court ruling that says you've been granted custody of your children. If you're separated, then you need to get permission from your partner. If you're separated, you cannot come through with a court document, okay? Don't say we are separated and we are going to come with a court document saying, oh, we're separated. This is the court document that says this is grounds for our separation. It's not going to be admissible. Don't make the mistake of coming through with a document, a legal document, and then say you're separated. If you're coming through with a legal document, then it means that you are divorced. Okay, this is something that most people don't talk about. Most people here on YouTube never tell you about this. They only tell you, oh, this is what you need to know about relocating to Canada. This is what you need to know about relocating to New Zealand. This is what you need to know about relocating to blah, blah, blah country or visa sponsorship jobs. Nobody tells you about what you need to do if you're looking for visa sponsorship jobs, if you're looking to study in these countries, but you are separated from your partner, you're divorced, or anything like this. Okay, so you guys need to bear this in mind. If you are separated from your partner and you want to relocate to a different country, it's no cup of tea. It's not easy. It's not very easy. It's not as easy as applying and telling them, oh, I'm separated from my partner, I want to go. No, they're gonna require extra documentation from you guys before they can grant you visa. Okay, although there's still special cases, there's still special situations and special circumstances that you could still get a visa. For example, if you were a victim of domestic violence and you can prove this. Now, how do you go about proving this? Maybe there were witnesses, there were people, maybe you have family members that can attest to the fact that you were brutalized by your partner. And not just women, there are men who were brutalized by their female partners in a marriage, in a relationship. If you can prove this, then you are going to get your visa. That is not problem. Okay, if you are in Nigeria, you will even need to get your national identification number for your partner. If you're separated, not divorced. Divorce, the court is going to give you judgment, so that is different. If you're separated, there are many documents. NIN, your national identification number, you need to get it for your partner. You need to get written consent from your partner. There are documentations you need to provide, and it's the same with people from other countries. So you need to find out the rules, the laws, the guidelines for people who are separated and they're looking to travel overseas with the children. You need to bear this in mind. It's not as simple as just going to the embassy or going online, filling a visa application form, and that's it. It's not that easy, okay? Trust me, it's not. Okay, so I hope this video has been able to spark a thought, to spark something in your mind, so you know extra documentation and requirement that you need to travel, whether you're going to Canada, the US, the UK, New Zealand, the Netherlands, Germany, Finland, whatever country you're going to. These are key requirements that are going to be required of you if you're going to apply for visa, whether to work or to study. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, if it was valuable to you in some way, shape or form, don't be a stranger. Go down below, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, like our videos and share them with your friends, particularly those who are interested in going overseas for work or studies. In our next episode, we're going to be coming out with more valuable videos, more valuable content about visa sponsorship jobs to the UK. So if you don't want to miss this content, why don't you go down, smash the subscribe button, like the video, share them with your friends, turn on the notification bell, so when we drop content valuable such as this, you can catch them when and while they drop. Okay, and if you want to know more, if you want to know about requirements for people who are interested in going to the UK to study. Maybe you want to know about the cost of studying in the UK, because with the new immigration laws and updates and guidelines in the UK, the cost of studying in the UK has gone up. So if you want to know the total cost, medical surcharge, how to pay it, how to solve the problem of declined payments for your medical surcharge, why don't you click on the video that is going to pop up to my right there, okay, and catch that content. And until the next one, I remain your value-based king Fuse. I'll catch you guys on the next cut. Bye for now.